Victor Topper Deluxe 1 cent gumball machine. Comes with the original key and lock. This is in original condition. It does show some wear and age for its 60 years. Glass globe. This is the deluxe version. So I believe the globe is a bit larger. In fact, this machine stands about 19 inches tall. - 7 inches wide. And the sticker shows some age. It's got some crackling. The hopper looks like it's got a larger, closer look around. There's definitely some scratching of the paint, missing chipped paint. It's a 1 penny machine. The feet are all present, the rubber stoppers at the bottom. In good condition. So let's take a look at this machine in action. There are some smaller gumballs down there in the bottom. Everything's working well. You can see the pictures. I've taken this machine apart for those. So we'll give it a crank. Only one came out that time. I imagine some more popping through there. That's okay. It's allowing 1 gumball per penny. Definitely popping them through there. We'll get an overview from the back. There we go. Okay, thanks very much. Again, check out the pictures. And thanks for looking. Very original, neat machine. Bye.